How many of America's home place floor plans can your office name in 60 seconds?
I'm failing this quiz.
Okay, Auburn, Walton, Berglund, Berglund Farmhouse,
The Berglund Farmhouse, the Oxford.
Hanover, Mountain View,
Berkshire, Chestnut,
I know you got Oxford, Manchester, Hampton.
Hampton,
Dogwood, Darlington. I'm going alphabetical order. Georgetown, Hanover, Hawthorne,
Cherokee, the
Honeysuckle,
Oxford,
And a lot of the new ones that I'm not familiar with.
several that start with an A.
Auburn,
American,
Boy, you put me on the spot. Now I can't think of anything.
Penny, Ford,
I can't think of anything else.
Oxford Farmhouse.
There's a lot of them, just trust me.
I don't know, that's all I got. My brain stopped.